Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Kahoot story. Start by logging into your account, then select the Create option located in the top right corner of the screen. Choose Story. It's important to note that the story features available to you will depend on your plan. If your plan includes the AI-assisted PDF to story generator, this will be the first option that appears. With this feature, you have the choice of generating a story based on a PDF file or starting from scratch. To use this generator, decide on your story's format. Enter the topic and upload your file. Once you have done this, click Generate. You can choose your story's format again. This could take the form of news, training, a survey, a task, or something else. You have the option to change the language. It's also possible to select your preferred tone of voice. After making any adjustments, make sure to click on Generate New. Once the process is finished, hit Save. After using the Kahoot AI Story Creator, don't forget to review the content. You can now modify the content you've just created and add anything else you want. The story is fully customizable. Blocks can be duplicated or deleted by clicking the 3 vertical dots. You have the option to insert a quote or an emoji. Enhance your content with AI assistance and divide your content. To add more story blocks, simply click the plus icon on the left side. If the AI generator doesn't suit your needs or you don't have access to it, you can always start from scratch. Please note that the options available for story blocks may vary based on your plan. First, select the type of block you want to add. Remember, you can rearrange the order at any time. Let's begin by adding some text. Feel free to type anything, and then click the wand symbol to enhance it with the assistance of AI. You have the option to extend the content length. Click Enhance. Once satisfied with the changes, accept them to add this to your story. Let's add another story block. Click Add Image to browse our Getty library. If desired, you can also add a YouTube or Vimeo video or some text to be read aloud. Please note, YouTube videos are no longer supported for business and social users. Read more in the description. You can also embed a Kahoot. Simply click the plus icon and select Embed. You can either paste a link or browse for your Kahoots. Additionally, you can add a poll question. Choose from the classic poll question, scale, or the NPS scale. Use one of the ready poll ideas or create a custom one. Creating a checklist is also an option. Make a checklist of items that users need to complete before they can proceed. Lastly, you can upload and convert a PDF file. Your PDF file will be automatically converted into story blocks. For those with certain plans, there's also an option to change the story theme. To do this, select the color palette icon located in the top right corner of the story creator and choose from the available themes. In the top right corner, you'll also find the story settings. Here, you have the ability to set up the title, add a description, include a cover image, and adjust the visibility of your story. The visibility options range from private and public to unlisted. Once you've finished adding and editing blocks, simply click the Save button in the top right corner to finalize and save your Kahoot story. Your stories can be found in the dedicated Stories section of your library. To access them, simply click on Library and then Stories. That concludes our guide on creating Kahoot stories. Please don't forget to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!